Uh, Today I will show you the filter in Excel. Filter I will see. Filter means, suppose you have written many students names according with the class and also houses and your subjects, different class and your class. I think many things you can do it. And you can do sorting means ascending order, like descending orders, like that process. If you can do, then that time you have to do the filters. Yeah, particular class, suppose you have written many students names, so particular students with different classes, so you want to see the particular classes, okay, name. You will see how it is possible. I've been showing to you. Let us open the Excel. Okay, so you can see I have written the students names along with the class and houses. Okay, now here you can see the class 10, 9, 10, 7, different class I have given, also 5 I have given. Okay, now first of all I will show you, and suppose this 4 I have written, plenty 7 students. So first of all I am increasing the size, then you can easily understand that one. That is 11 I have given, that is 16 I am making. Okay, now increasing the cells, rows and columns. You know, I have taught you how to increase. Okay, this column, it will come the middle of place. Okay, so this is the different name, different colors. Okay, let us, I am making the bold one. Okay, now first of all you can see here A, S, R, A, J, D, again A is there, so it is not for means ascending orders. First of all I will make the ascending. How it is possible? So you have to do, you have to select first, select. Okay, then you can see here this editing group, one A to Z sort filtering is there. No, you can see the sort A to Z. So if you do like that, so just see this one ascending order it came. Okay, which one? The name one came. Okay, just you see it class same, it was same, but now ascending order, alphabetically ordered it came. Okay, now I am showing to a different part. Okay, I am showing to you different part. That one only the class wise, your house wise it will display. So how to do? So just you can see this part is sort and filter. Okay, here you click. Now after that you can see is option one, option is there, filter. Okay, whenever you to filter, then you will see the arrow came, arrow. We had the 3 arrows. Okay, now why this arrow came, what to do of these things? It is very simple things. If you want to see those who are the belongs of class 7s, only their name will display. How it is possible? Okay, so that time class you will go, you can see if you click on the class here, it will display select all the different classes, whatever classes are there, so all has tick mark. If you not the select all, if you remove, then all the tick mark it will go out. Now I want to see only the class 7, so I have clicked the 7. After that okay. Okay, is it? Now see the class 7, there are 2 students name. Okay, Anushka and Riya. Okay, if you go to the back, see here 1, 2 7s are there. Now I will show you only the houses. Now you don't want to see the class wise. If you want to see the house wise, how it is possible? No problem, you will go to the house. Here also first of all you will see all the select all options will be there. You have to remove this one. Then which house you want to see? Blue, that one you will do tick mark, then okay. See, those are belongs the blue house, their name according their class it will display. Okay, this is called the filter options. Filters means you have to retain the so many things, so many students names. I have given one example, that is house and according to their class. Okay, this is the options I have done here, and you will do your house in different things. Clear? So but you want only one thing. Suppose you don't want to see like that, you want only not for that, I am going to back side. So undo, you will do undo, Okay, only the name only Jahid. Suppose so many students are there. You are saying no, only the Devadrita name will display here. Devadrita name. So click on the Devadrita and okay. Devadrita information it will come. Which class, which house. So I have shown you the three parts. First of all, class, house, and the particular one single name. Okay. I have written here name, class, house. You can write many things. Okay. Suppose all the subjects names. Okay. Now, afterwards, if you want to see the only particular students, how much he got the subject wise and the total marks, you can show it. If you want to see those who are the belongs to 7A, you want to make it only for 7A, you can do filter. If you want only 7B also. If you have to go to the class and 7B will select, 7B will display. Those who are belongs in 7A will display, those who are 7B. But if you want to house wise, you want to see, I have shown you a house wise, it will display house wise also. Now if you want to see, sir, I want to show the all, select all. Okay, you will do okay, then everyone will display. Okay, so these things it is called the filters. You will do practice in your home. Okay, afterwards I will show the steps how to do. Okay, and you will write in your copy. First of all, you see and you will write in your copy. If you see the proper step, then you can easily write. Okay, so I hope you understood of this class. You will do practice and you will write in your copy. Okay, so thank you.